Cosmos Forms and Iteration Insights have partnered together to deliver a Power BI-enabled reporting solution, Cosmos Insights. Cosmos Forms develop Cosmos Insights to allow their customers to review and analyze operational information to understand trends and make critical optimization decisions. Cosmos Forms sought Iteration Insights as a partner to bring Cosmos Insights to the next level. The Iteration Insights team are experts in data analytics and modeling, and were able to provide valuable advice in this area. Together, we created the version of Cosmos Insights you see today. This video showcases just a few of the features and functions available in this powerful reporting tool. For each customer, Cosmos Insights is customizable using their branding and logo. On the right-hand side is the navigation menu, allowing the user to dive deeper into the report. The first report is called Form Summary and displays two views, Summary by Facility and by Form Name. The Summary by Facility visualization is a ribbon chart that displays the form count and trends of all forms completed by each facility. It showcases this information for the previous 3 months along with the current month. With the slicer on the right side, the report user can specify which business unit they wish to view. They can then further select a specific facility within that business unit. The Summary by Form Name showcases the count trend based on form name rather than business unit or facility. For example, how many hazard ID forms were completed in the last months. The slicer allows the users to select a specific form name or group of form names. For further information about each of the forms, the user can select the Form Details report. This report shows detailed information about the different forms, the form name, form number, who was assigned the form status, the facility associated, and much more. The slicers allow filtering of the data into these various categories, providing tremendous flexibility for the user. For example, one can search the filter to find all of the hazard ID forms and view their details. The user can also click on the link icon to display the underlying form and the Cosmos Forms platform. Many forms have a related action. These cards display how many actions were created and how many are not yet completed based on the selection of the slicers. At a glance, the user can understand the number of actions and the completion rate of a particular form or for a facility. From this page, the user can drill down to understand more about the actions related to the form by right-clicking to drill through to the action page. A user can use the action report to analyze action completion. This report details the assigned to, due date, past due date, action description, and much more. Since actions should be completed in a timely manner, a user can filter actions by the past due status between 31 and 90 days, and status by in progress or not started to determine how many actions have not yet been completed. Cosmos Insights is a powerful interactive reporting and data visualization solution that is built and delivered using Power BI. The tool combines data from Cosmos Forms, Cosmos Operations, and other business systems, allowing customers to review and analyze their operations information to make critical optimization decisions. Take your organization from data to insights to decisions with Cosmos Forms and Cosmos Insights. Iteration Insights is happy to provide analytics knowledge and data model optimization services to their technology partner, Cosmos Forms. We are excited for the opportunity to partner together in creating a reporting and data visualization solution that benefits their organization and customers. If you are looking to create an insightful dashboard for your organization, contact Iteration Insights today at info@iterationinsights.com or visit our website www.iterationinsights.com.